Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about Roth IRA mistakes that can cost you money, ignoring income limits. Let's get into the video. Ignoring income limits. The IRS also imposes income limits on Roth IRA contributions. For 2023, single filers with a modified adjusted gross income over 153,000 and married couples filing jointly with a MGAGI over 228,000 cannot make direct Roth IRA contribution. Exceeding these income limits can lead to penalties. How to avoid it? Track your income and be aware of IRS limits. If your income exceeds the threshold, consider a backdoor of IRA contribution, where you contribute to a traditional IRA first and then convert those funds to a Roth IRA. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.